Let's go to page 387 and start with number 1. Okay, so you are giving the center at 2, 0 and radius equal to 2, and you're looking for the equation. Okay. So first you need to go and use this to write your equation in a center radius form. So you're going to get x minus 2 square plus y minus 0 square equal to 2 square. So that's your center radius form. And after I just go and multiply it out, so you're going to get x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared equal to 4. And then go and minus 4 on both sides. So you got x squared plus, and arrange things in order, so it would be x squared plus y squared minus 4x equal to 0. And that's it. Okay, let's go to number 3. Okay, so your center is at 3, negative 4, and radius equal to 5. Okay, so your equation would be x minus 3 squared plus y plus 4 squared equal to 5 squared. So work it out. X squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 8y plus 16 equal to 25. And then you want to move everything over. So minus 25 from both sides. So notice you got 9, 16, and 25 will cancel out. Okay, so again you arrange it in order and also in the decreasing order. So you got x squared plus y squared, then minus 6x plus 8y equal to 0. Okay, let's go to number 5. Okay, so you have x squared plus y squared minus 9 equal to 0. It says if the graph of the given equation in the circle found the center and radius. Okay, so first go and plus 9 on both sides. So move the number over. So you get x squared plus y squared equal to 9. So all this already complete a square already. So center is going to be at 0, 0. Radius is equal to 3. Okay, because this is r squared, so take the square root. So you get r equal to 3. Okay, and that's it. Okay, number 7. Okay, you have x squared plus y squared equal to negative 4x. So first you need to go and move this over, so plus 4x. So you want to complete a square. Okay, so you can group them. And from here you're going to get your template ready. This is already done. Okay, so from here you need to have an x plus 2. Okay, so again this is always half of that. Okay, so in order to make this a perfect square, you need to plus 4 over here. So you need to plus 4 on this side. Therefore you're going to end up equal to 4. So once you complete a square for the x and the y, you can find your center. It's going to be a negative 2, 0, and the radius is equal to 2. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you have x squared plus y squared minus 4x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. So first, go and move this number over, so plus 4 on both sides, and you group your x and the y, so you get x squared minus 4x, leave a space over here, then you have the y squared plus 2y, leave a space, okay? Then after that, go and get your template ready, okay? So from here, you're going to get x, this one you're going to be, half of that will be minus 2, okay? So you need to get plus 4, so you need to have a plus 4 to get a perfect square. So you plus 4 on this side, you need to plus 4 on this side. Okay. Then after that, same thing with y, so you need to have y plus 1. Okay. So in order to go from here to here, you need to plus 1. Okay. And since you plus 1 over here, you need to plus 1 over here. So this side will give you a total of 9. Okay, once you complete a square, you're gonna have a center at 2, comma, -1, and a radius equal to 3. Okay, let's go to 11. You got x squared plus y squared plus ax plus 2y plus 18 equal to 0. So first, move this number over, so minus 18 on both sides. And then you group your variable. See? And then go and get your template ready. Okay, so from here you need to have an x. From this you're going to get plus 4. So 4 squared, you get plus 16. So you need to plus 16 over here. And from here you need to have a y plus 1. And so to get from here to here you need to have 1. Okay? And so this is going to give you -1. Now, so this is r squared, so r squared equal to -1 cannot, right? Because you cannot radius of imaginary number. So this one we have no graph. Let's go to the next one. Got x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y equal to 0. Okay, so again, first let's go and group. So there's no number, so we can just go and group our variables. Okay, and get your template ready. So from here, you're going to get x plus 2, right? So you need to get plus 4. In order to get from here to here, you need to have a plus 4. So this would be a plus 4. And then from here, you're going to get y minus half of that would be 3 over 2. So to get from here to here, you need to get this number squared. So you need to get plus 9 over 4, right? So again, 3 squared give you 9, 2 squared give you 4. Okay, wrong color. Into plus 9 over 4. Okay. Now you have to add this together. So this is equal to 16 over 4. So you're going to get 25 over 4. Okay, you add this together, you get 25 over 4. So center is going to be a -2 and comma 3 over 2. And your radius is going to square root of that. So square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 4 is 2. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 15. You got 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 2x minus 2y equal to 1. Okay, so when you complete a square for a circle, first you have to get rid of this number. So first let's go and divide it by 3. So you got x squared plus y squared minus 2 over 3x minus 2 over 3y equal to 1 over 3. Okay, next let's go and group our x and the y. Okay, then go and get the template ready. Okay. Okay, so from here you need to have an x minus, now half of that would be 1 over 3. Okay. So this one you need to get plus 1 over 9, right? Negative square give you positive. 1 square give you 1, 3 square give you 9. So plus 1 over 9. The next one you're going to get y minus 1 over 3 again. So this is going to be plus 1 over 9. Okay, so when you add this together, this is equal to 3 over 9, so give you 5 over 9. Okay, so your center is going to be a 1/3. The radius will equal to square root of 5 over 3. Right? You just take the square root of that, and that's it. Okay, let's go to number 17. Okay, looking for the equation with these properties. So the center is at 0, 3 and passing through the origin. So pass through the origin means the point is 0, 0. Okay, so first let's go and use this information to write our equation. Okay, so you're going to get x minus 0 squared plus y minus 3 squared equal to r squared. Okay, and so best thing to do is go and sketch it out. Okay, the center is at 0, 3. Okay, just center, and it passed through this point 0, 0. Okay, so by just looking at that, by just looking at this picture, you can see the r equal to 3. Okay, so you put this in here, you're going to get x squared plus y minus 3 squared equal to 9. Okay, and that's it. Again, if you sketch things out, it will make things a lot easier because you can visualize. Okay. Again, when looking for equation of a circle, you just need to know the center, you need to know the radius. So sketch it out, figure out where the center is, and figure out where the radius, what is the radius, and you can write your equation. Okay, number 19, the center is in quadrant 1, and radius equal to 2, and is tangent to 0, 1. Okay? Okay. Okay, so first let's plot this point. So tangent is 0, 1, so 0, 1. Now if it's tangent to that, okay, and the circle is in quadrant 1, so it's going to be over here, and radius equal to 2. Now if it's tangent, it's going to be perpendicular. Okay, so your circle is going to be like this. Okay, so if you go across, now remember radius equal to 2, that means this is a 2, right? This point is 0, 1, and so the radius equal to 2 means you go 2 this way until you quadrant 1, right? So that means when you go sideways it's x. So you start at 0, you go 2 this way, should be end up with 2, 1. Okay? So now you have the center, you have the radius. Okay? So you can write your equation. So center is 2, 1, so it'd be x minus 2 squared plus y minus 1 squared equal to radius is 2, so it'd be 4, and that's it. So again, when you sketch it out, you can figure out your center, you can figure your radius, and then it would be a lot easier. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 21. Okay, so the center is on x plus y equal to 4, and tangent to coordinate axes. Okay, so that means x and the y axes. Okay, again, best thing to do is sketch it out. Okay, when you sketch out, you can visualize and make things a lot easier. Okay, so to sketch this, you have to find your intercept points, right? So that x equal to 0, okay, then y will equal to 4. If you let y equal to 0, then x will equal to 4. Okay, so the center is going to be, center of the circle is going to be over here. Now, since it's tangent to both axes, that means the center is on here. So that means that the center has to be right over here. Okay, so that it would be tangent to the x to the y-axis and to the x-axis. Okay, so again, the circle is tangent to both the x and to the y. Okay, another thing to realize is that means they have to x and y are equal. So finally, you can see that center is going to be a 2, 2, okay, and the radius is going to equal to 2. again, you got to sketch out, look at the picture to figure it out, okay? So your equation is going to be x minus 2 squared plus y minus 2 squared equal to 4, okay? Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, it's tangent to both coordinate axes and also tangent to line x equal to 6. And it says 2 answers. Okay. So you have the line x equal to 6, right? Okay, again, if you sketch it out, you can see it very easily, very clearly. Okay, so you got line x equal to 6. Okay, so this x equal to 6. So the circle is tangent to both x and y and d. So that means there are 2 possibilities. You're going to get one circle right over here, okay, and one circle right over here. So for this circle, as you can see, the center has to be right over here. Since it's going to be halfway in between, so it's going to be at 3, 3, okay? Because again, because this is 6, that means radius equal to 3, and so from here you go up 3, right? Again, radius equal to 3. So this is 0, x equal to 6. So you see the diameter is 6. So that means radius equal to 3, radius equal to 3. Okay? Now you swing the radius over, okay? So you can see a radius equal to 3, and remember it's tangent to axes, right? So that means it means touch right over here. So from here radius is 3, so you go up 3. So that's how you get 3, 3. Okay, now same thing over here. This point is going to be 3, comma, negative 3. Okay, so 2 answers. So for this circle, you're going to get x minus 3 squared plus y minus 3 squared equal to 9. Okay, for this answer, you're going to get x minus 3 squared plus y plus 3 squared equal to 9. Okay, again, you have to take the opposite, right? And so those are your 2 answers. Again, once you sketch out, look at the picture, you can figure out your center, figure out your radius. And once you got center, you got radius, you can figure out your equation. Okay, let's go to 25. Okay, by writing the equation in the standard form, show that the graph is a single point. What point is it? Okay, okay. So you got x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 2y plus 5 equal to 0. So again, first you need to go ahead and put in the standard form, the center radius form. So center radius form is a standard form for the circle. Okay, so first let's get rid of this number and group them. So you got x squared minus 4x, you got y squared minus 2y equal to negative 5. Okay, then get your template ready. So from here you're going to get x minus 2. Okay, so you need to add plus 4. So you need to get plus 4 over here. This one you're going to have a y minus 1. So you need to get plus 1. So you get plus 1. So from here, you're going to get equal to 0. Okay? So from here, you can see that the circle, the center, is going to be at 2, comma 1. And radius, r squared equal to 0, so r equal to 0. So radius equal to 0 means you get a dot. Okay? And so this is a graph of a single point, because radius equal to 0 means you get a dot. And therefore, the point that you're looking for is 2, comma 1. Okay, let's go to 29. Okay, you got x squared plus y squared is greater than 4. Okay, so this is already complete a square already. So the center is going to be at 0, 0, and radius equal to 2. But you have to be careful, okay? So there are a couple of things you have to be aware of. But first, let's go and sketch these things out. Okay, so center is 0, 0, radius is 2, so you just go 2 in every direction. So 2 over here, go up 2, go over 2, go up 2. You can get your ruler, so you can just go and do these. Okay, now this, okay, so notice this is greater than, okay. Okay, so you're going to get a dotted circle. If this is equal, then you're going to get a solid circle. So you can, because there's no equality, so it's going to be dots. So it'll be dashed lines. Okay. Next, you have to figure out if it's, where is it? Okay. So notice it's greater than, remember this is radius, right? The points, location of the points are greater than the radius, means it's outside. Or you can do the testing. If you did a 0, 0 in here, you got 0. So use this as a testing point. Okay. So 0 plus 0 greater than 4. No. So this is false. So your shading is outside. So all the points outside will be your answer. Okay, any points outside will fulfill that requirement. Okay, so again, you can do it either two way by thinking of the points is outside the radius. Okay, so you can greater than. But remember, this is your radius, right? So the points have to be greater than radius, so it's outside. Or you can just choose choose a point and do the testing. So if you choose 0, you're going to get 0 squared plus 0 squared greater than 4. So this is false. Okay? So if this point is false, means this is no good. So you have to shade the outside. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, you got x squared plus y squared is less than or equal to 2x. So this is similar to the last one. So let's move this over so we can complete a square. So minus 2x. So you got x squared minus 2x plus y squared is less than or equal to 0. Okay? And then go ahead and get your perfect squares. So this one you need to have x minus 1. Right? This is always half of that, because this times I will give you that. Okay, but to get from here to here, you need to have plus 1, right? Because negative 1 squared is plus 1. So you need to plus 1. You plus 1 here, you need to plus 1 over here. So this will equal to 1. So your center is going to be at 1, 0. And radius is going to equal to 1. Okay? Okay, so again, let's go and sketch it out. So center is at 1, 0. Okay, so here's, so it'd be 1, 0. Radius is 1. And this is a solid, right? This is equal, so it'd be a solid circle. Okay. Okay. Now, so you can think of it, the point is less than the radius, so it means it has to be the inside. Okay. Or you can choose a point that is not on the circle as your testing point. Okay. So choose a point that is not on the circle as a testing point. So if you choose, let's say if you choose this point over here, again, you can choose any point that is not on the circle. So if you choose this point is 0, 1, right? You put in here, okay? So you're going to get negative 1 squared plus 1 squared less than or equal to 1, okay? So you're going to get 1 plus 1 less than 1. So this is false, okay? So that means this point is false. That means you have to shade the inside, okay? And so that's it.